Here's how to upload videos on Reddit with sound. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open the Reddit application or the Reddit website, which is reddit.com. Log into your account. Then in the top of the screen, tap on Create. Then select the image or the video option, which is between text and link. Here you can tap on this drag and drop upload media and upload any video that you prefer. You'll need to add a title for your video. Wait for the upload to finish, and once it's uploaded, make sure that the mute button is off so that your video posts without sound. Also ensure that the video you're uploading actually has a sound and isn't already muted. Make any other edits you want, and finally tap on the post button in the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color, and your video will be posted with the sound. So that's how you upload videos on Reddit with sound. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.